You've likely seen beard oil at stores next to other grooming products for men like shaving cream, aftershave, and so on and so forth. However, if you've never used it before, you might not even know how it works. You might not be sure what it's for. You might not be sure how to use it. In today's video, I want us to talk about how to properly use a beard oil and how it works. The truth is, beard oil is easy to apply to your beard. All you need is a comb or a brush. If you have a very short beard like mine, you can even use your hands. You can find many combs on the market specifically for beards. Many people have different choices for a comb. I decided to use this because this is what I have right now. This is what I afford. In short, what I'm trying to say, you can use any comb. Most beard growth oil comes with an eyedropper. If you are using something different from an eyedropper or a lid, then for example, if you're using the homemade beard oil, you can figure it out whatsoever you try to use to actually. So the thing is, if you're going to buy something like this, there are even specifications on how you can use this. They tell you what everything you need to know for you to be able to apply the beard oil to your beards, for you to grow faster and healthy and thicker. This beast, it works like magic. I'm telling you, it's really working for me. So today I also bought something new for myself. I've been using this one and it's finished, but I decided to buy a new one. This is working for me. It makes your beard shine. It makes your beard look amazing. Mwah! You're going to love it. Do exactly what is written here. Then boom, you're going to actually apply your beards. However, here's how beard oil is generally applied. First things first.
Apply 2 or 3 drops of beard oil in your palm and rub your hands together to spread the oil around your palms and fingers. Rub your palms and fingers across the hair on your cheeks. Next, rub your hands down the front of your face so that it covers your mustache and chin. Go over your mustache again with your fingertips. You may need more oil later, but it's better to start with a small dose to avoid making your beard too greasy. The best time to apply beard oil is after washing your face or taking a hot shower, when your hair and face are clean. Before applying the oil, dry your beard with a towel so that it's damp but not wet. Use your comb or a brush to actually spread the beard oil evenly to all the parts where it's supposed to reach. You likely don't need to apply beard oil every day. You can start by applying it every other day and adjust as needed. If you live in a particular dry climate or have a longer beard, you may need to apply more often. If you notice your beard feels greasy, you can cut back how often you apply your oil.
Drop 3 or 5 drops of beard oil on your palms, and then you rub your palms together and you massage your cheeks and all the areas with the hair you want your beard to grow. It's simple, it's not even difficult. Anyone can do it. If you notice that your beard looks greasy, you can cut back on how often you apply the beard oil to your beard. How often you apply beard oil to your face, it's up to you, but one thing you should know is that you should only put the right amount of beard oil so that it should not look greasy. And the other thing that you want to avoid is using beard oil if it's causing irritation to your face, if it's causing itchiness to your face. There are a lot of benefits of using this beard oil. This is a beast. It works like magic. Gentlemen, it makes your beard look amazing. It also makes your beard look shiny. It gives your beard that shine texture. You know, it just makes your beard look shiny and smart. Guys, this stuff is very cheap. If you want something like this, I'll leave the links down below in the description. Go and grab one for yourself because this stuff is very, very cheap, very affordable. If you are a cheap guy like me, you can afford this. Thank you for watching, and I hope I'll see you in the next video. If you have any question on how or anything that you want to know about beard growing, please leave them down below and I'll make sure that I respond to you with a video. Grab one for yourself at an amazing price.